swing's hung, you can make adjustments to the rope, adjusting the height of the swing. If you want the swing lower, grab the bottom knot on the back of the rope and push it up about 6 inches. Grab the top knot and pull the rope up through the knot. Then adjust the bottom knot. Do the same thing on the front rope. Now this will lower the swing closer to the ground. If you want to raise the height of the swing, grab the knot and pull the rope down and adjust the bottom knot. Do the same thing with the front rope. Now the swing could be adjusted to hang properly by adjusting